Hey guys, what is up? Welcome. It's up to your home for day. I'm your host Martin, and tonight this is a Christmas night special for the state of crypto. You're joining me for It's Up Cryptos, right? If you're catching us from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. So, with all those awesome things being said, Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you all for being here. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day and enjoying the holiday seasons with the people that matter the most to you. Spin this here at the top of the chat. And again, like bell sub in case I haven't sent that yet. But how's it going, guys? How's your Christmas? Y'all get your crypto Christmas presents from Crypto Claus, I guess. Is that what we're gonna be calling it? Crypto Claus. One second, guys. Right, let's keep running. All right, so again, I hope you got good trades. I hope we were able to do something good. Let's go check out market cap, right? Let's go and look at the thing where magic stuff happens in the market. What is happening in market cap? I know. We did Paul Green yesterday, right? 0.53% right now, going on the red. 1.33%. We'll talk about that in a second. Market cap seems to have gapped down a little bit on the opening, but that's fine. Again, hidden divergence still in play. Rejecting still that $2.46 trillion mark. We rejected yesterday, and right now we went back up, hit it, and rejecting. So, not the best. Neutral at 51.65. So, being late also, by the way. I had friends over, and we're enjoying a nice meal. So, now I come live to stream, which is the most awesome thing. Anyways, what are we doing here on Bitcoin? Right, dominance going down also. It's moving down. So, yeah, a Bitcoin yesterday moved down. We did an exercise. I polled the viewership here. I said, guys, what do you think Bitcoin's going to do? Pump or is going to drop? Now, 7 people said pump, 2 said drop, and then 1 says chop. So we're not really getting an insane drop, but we did move down. So those 2 people that said drop, they were right. Fat Dad Fishing. Merry Christmas, my friend. They were Biel. Feliz Navidad, everyone. All right, Feliz Navidad back at you. Bearishness. Moving down a bit, not the strongest move, but still moving down, heading for a 20 moving average. That'll be a potential target for Bitcoin. That will put it around 48,665. We're sitting at 49,836. Not a bad move again. Hidden bearish, moving sideways, starting to consolidate. Let's go to the 4-hour chart again. Look, we're consolidating until the last 4-hour candle where we drop below that 20. I don't like that. I was really hoping that we were going to hit and a bounce. We're creating hidden bullish divergence. That's the only good thing that we have going on right now. And that could give us a chance for Bitcoin to try to rally and maybe go for that 20 moving average, right? So with this in mind, again, there's a chance that Bitcoin might try to go for a pop here. This is from the 1-hour, by the way. I know, because it makes no sense where it's at. There we go. Right, so hidden bullish. Gonna go for that 20 moving average, 50,214. That's gonna be a really, really good target. Kind of sucks that Bitcoin's below that 50K area, but I think we could reclaim it. And here on this chart, you can see that we're at the bottom part of that $49,691 mark in finding support right where we're supposed to find it, right? Our main areas. Look at this, beautiful. We came all the way back up, hit 51,250. We closed there. We've had this for the longest time. We just have not been looking at this chart that often. The reason for that is the chart is getting gaps, right? Look at all the gaps that we have here in data. It's not being the most reliable, but as you can see here in the 4-hour, beautiful. Hit that area, rejected, come back down. Now finding support at 49,691. Not bad moves, man. We're almost spot on hitting all those areas. Highest point here, closing 51,251. We have it at 51,250. So we're $1 off target. Here, now moving down, closed 49,705. We have it at 49,691. So $15 off target. Not a big move. Not a big difference on this move, right? So that's good. It's good target. So over here again, flowing between this channel, below the 20, hit bullish. Gonna try to get us to rally. Let's go to that 4-hour. Sorry, the 1-hour. on the 1 hour chart. We were tied on the Bollinger Bands. And I haven't said we're tighter than we're back here. We're trying to expand into the upside. We had that bearish divergence. We kept on flagging and moving sideways below that 20 until we finally broke. And it seems as though we want to expand those Bollinger Bands to the downside. Hopefully, that's not going to be the case. Hopefully, we can get a rally going for that 20 moving average. I don't want to run on hopefulness, but, you know, maybe it's the Christmas season. So we can hopefully go for a rally, I guess. Right? More negative momentum. Going back down here and also lower. We're seeing sold at 33.86. Elon, Merry Christmas. Thank you very much for being in. So again, looking, we don't have anything bullish here, so we could still drop more. I would not like to see that, but it is what we have here on the 1 hour. 4 hour, like I said, hidden bullish. Could have them to go for a rally, and then on the daily, we don't have anything bullish, but besides this old bullish divergence. And like I said, right, even though we pump to 55,000, 60,000, 65,000, we're still going to be putting pressure on the price from this divergence. So, neutral at 47.44, right, on the daily. So let's go check out Ethereum and see where Ethereum is at. $4,029. Ethereum getting that pop. Again, we're flirting with this area. Yesterday we did go on the green, 1.22%, but we're failing to really take away and take off from this blue line. So we're coming back down below it right now. Again, telling us it is a fake breakout. Here we held at 20, got above it, tried to pump. Rejection, come back down below that line and also below a 20 moving average, which is not the best. We're $4 off that target. $4, man. It's just a very, very quick move, man. A quick move to the upside gets above that 20. There's nothing else going on here right now. So let's go to that 4 hour chart. Just let me zoom in here. I want to make sure. Oh, there's hidden divergence. See, I was going to move away from this chart here quickly. And I was going to dismiss this here divergence that says, oh no, good sir. Hidden bearish. Pressure on the price. So, neutral at 47.63, and again, with that, still move sideways. We could still flag here a bit. We'll see how Ethereum handles this. But again, this tells us action to downside, maybe sideways motion. And I think that's part of the reason that we're failing to break away from that blue line. Let's go to that 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour, right, bearish divergence. Moving down, hitting that 20, trying to bounce, failing to get higher in the previous high, so we're dropping now. Do we have anything going on here? Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Nothing here. That is bullish. Neutral at 48.28. Again, we had the bearish divergence. We knew it was a possibility for moving down. Went to the 20, tried to bounce. Now to get higher. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, high, low, positive was positive, and high to low. Low, lower low, negative momentum, and then do we have hidden divergence here? Please have hidden divergence. Yes, here we go. Not hidden, strong bullish divergence. And with that, the possibility for action to the upside, right? Wouldn't that be great if we just go from for a rally from here? Look at this, boom, strong bullish. So I could get us to pop and maybe try to aim for that 20 moving average and probably even higher if we can get this to materialize, right? So again, we have that bullish divergence strong. We had the possibility for a rally. Again, good stuff happening here. And we'll see how Ethereum is going to handle this. Again, really, really looking forward for this potential bounce to come in. Elon, yeah, we can do Litecoin, man, no worries. I just got to find it here. All right, so Litecoin at $154.01. So following Bitcoin, going 3 break candles, getting below 20 on the daily, not looking super hot. Also, nothing bearish going on here, right? High to low, positive, high to low. Short term here, strong bullish divergence, just like everyone else had. Again, not a bad move here on Litecoin, right? On Litecoin, we're doing okay. Bullish divergence with everyone else. Try to pop, hit a resistance line at $163, and we're rejecting here. Look at it. We tried to get above it, we failed, rejected, and now we're moving down. Now, do we have anything here that is bearish coming up higher here? And here we are coming in slightly lower, man. These breaks are nonsense. So we can say that this is the move we're potentially going for. And say, yo, there is bearish divergence here. And with that, the possibility for a movement down, right? Nice touch with the music. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. It's holiday season music, I think. We'll have it for the next couple days. I did this last year. I put holiday music here last year, and this year I completely forgot to play the holiday playlist. But yeah, I appreciate it. Cool. I actually like the other tracks better. At least for me, they're something I know when the music stops. This is on Spotify, so we're gonna get ads here pretty soon. Low, lower, native, or native, and low, lower. Still oversold at 25.65. We're oversold on Litecoin. that could be a reason or catalyst for us to try to gain value right when it come back to this neutral zone. But we don't have anything bullish right now. So what could happen is we could try to rally and then drop more, right? Create that bullish divergence. That will get us to pop here and then come down and maybe anchor some strong bullish and rally from there. That would be the move I would be looking for here on Litecoin right now. Because there is nothing bullish that is going to get us to rally right now. Last thing we had here again, and this from the 4 hour, we're looking at some bearishness, right? Some bearish divergence. Let me go back to Bitcoin. I forgot to mention something, and I'll go back to Litecoin here in a second. But Bitcoin, I forgot to draw a comparison, right? Remember, I was telling you guys that this portion here, right, this curve and drop was looking like this curve and drop. That's I think this is where we're starting to try to maybe get this rally and fail, right? Try to get this rally and fail. Try to go slightly lower before we continue going higher, right? I believe this portion here, I'll highlight it. This portion here is this portion here that we're starting to do here. I think it just looks like that right now, right? Paul Yin, Merry Christmas. Thank you very much for being here. May. Thank you, man. Merry Christmas, brother. Thank you very much for being here and for the awesome support that you give this channel with your time, man. Michael Rosario, Merry Christmas, man. Much appreciated. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking for Bitcoin, right? I just wanted to say that real quick. And let's go here back to the Litecoin. All right, Litecoin 154, right? On fibs, I'm gonna try to fib this one. I'm gonna try to get new fibs for this. I'm not sure how good they're gonna be, but new fibs should be. We're due for new fibs here. So we can say from the high point here to the low point and try to see where that gets us. So the high point's somewhere around here. Then coming all the way down here. So I'm targeting the point here on the high, the closing, and then the closing here. I just want to see where we're at. We're below at 236, so it's not a good place. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go from the low point here to the high point here and see how much we've retraced. So we retraced to that 786. Look at that. We're bouncing spot on it, right? And we should be aiming for the 618, but we need to get above $163 here on Litecoin. So if we can continue going up with its whatever bullish divergence it has on the major time scale, right? It should be okay. Otherwise, if the 4-hour bearish divergence takes hold, we could be in pain for this, right? For Litecoin. So yeah, we could we could do ADA. No worries, man. A lot of people here love the ADA. Hope you're all having a wonderful Christmas season and that you're having awesome trading days, and not just trading days, but you're doing good in life and that your families are good and healthy. So I wish you all the best on this holiday season. Right, so we're coming down. Now we're starting to go back up on the bullishness, breaking this area. We should be going for a measure move, but we're not going there yet. Bitcoin misbehaving. It's certainly putting pressure, and we're starting to consolidate. We're still above $1.40. We're coming back down, but it looks right now as though we're starting to flag here. Other than that, it's fine on the daily. We're not seeing anything else. Let's go here on. Sorry, do we have any hidden divergence? Yeah, we had hidden divergence. I'm not sure. I think we should have drawn this whenever we did this. I'm not sure if we looked at ADA yesterday, but this seems like something we should have already had here in place. But anyways, bearishness. I just sent that thing to another time scale. We'll figure out here in a second. The 4 hour. That's where I said. All right. So again, bearish divergence hidden. Starting to consolidate. Not bad. Let's go to that 4 hour chart again. If we move down $1.40 our target, we're very close to it. Below there, this fib note here at $1.34 would be also a good target. Trying to bounce from that $1.40, we should be aiming for somewhere around here, $1.53, and then above there, $1.68. Those will be targets for 8 hour chart, man. Darkness Star, Merry Christmas. Thank you very much for the good wishes. Much appreciated, man. Had to put your nephew's Power Wheels together today. Why are you hate? Oh, Power Wheels. All right, I get it, Andrew. Well, yeah, I know which ones those are. For a second there, I thought you meant Hot Wheels. I was like, dude, Hot Wheels are cool. I enjoy putting together the Hot Wheels. Yeah, I've been building Legos for a good part of the day, and then we had visitors come over. Yeah, it's also interesting. Anyways, here we're breaking out of this downsloping triangle that we had, going to the upside again. We set a measure move to go slightly higher. We did this, and then I deleted it, which is fine. Again, I just want to get a quick reference here. And I think we said we're very, very close to pattern completion, so very, very nice here. 8 out right now. We're moving up, flagging. We're still below the 20, trying to recover right now, and hopefully we can reclaim it, and we can try to bounce. I think we're doing some hidden divergence here, by the way. Some hidden bullish. Right, they could get us to where we try to reclaim the 20 moving average. We already hit, and we're trying to really get above it, but we need to get above that area for us to go up here, $1.32. Otherwise, rejecting that 20 could get us to go still farther down. Hopefully, that's not going to be the case. Does it here neutral at 55.83 on the 4 hour, and with that means that we could move sideways for a bit, maybe try to reclaim this area. It's still pointing up a bit. Chance that we might, like I said, try to recover. Let's go to the 1 hour. Which Martin, Merry Christmas. Tina Crow, yeah, no worries, man. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Stuff here coming in lower, less negative momentum, lower here. Nothing here that is bearish. Low to high, negative, less negative, and then low, lower low. Look at this. I think here we're going to be creating something that bearish. 38.70, 38.71. We could definitely say this sideways motion, but it doesn't get us to where we're creating divergence. I was really hoping that we're going to get this divergence going on here. Hidden bullish to try to get to that 20 moving average. We don't have it. And like I said, here, it looks as though we're consolidating, right? This is consolidation. Slightly down sloping, tried to break to the upside. We didn't go for a measure move. Come back down again, and all this is just sideways. Neutral at 41.37 on the 1 hour ADA. All right, up next, Crow. Sure, why not? Let's do the Crow. That was 2 requests for Crow, I guess. And then near, so Crow. Peter Schwartz, what's up, dude? I'll get to your question in a second. All right, so Crow, let's get on the daily. It seems to be taking quite a nasty drop right now, 4.50% to the downside. Not the healthiest. We did have bullish divergence pumping at that. Nothing bearish coming in, neutral at 55.38. So if we drop, it'd just be a pullback on the moving up we're getting. And again, we're going higher than the previous highs here, so we're certainly breaking this downtrend we're in. We could be aiming for this 382 at 57 cents. And then if we do pump, we could be aiming for 70 cents. But again, we still have that 20 moving average also as support in case we do break this 57 cent mark. And it's going to be at 56 cents, 56.41 right. We're getting this cross of the MACD and the signal line. We're going to make positive momentum. We're at a good area where this could lead us to maybe try to reclaim the all-time high. 88 cents. We'll see. Again, it's a try. We're going to see how this is handled. Like I said, nothing bearish. So there's nothing really putting pressure on the Crow. It's just going to depend on how the rest of the market keeps on going, right? So, let's go on the 4 hour. Christmas themed charts with red and green. Yeah, I know. That's how I do it all year, man. Have to get that Christmas spirit going on, man. That's why they're green and red. By the way, who decided that Christmas color should be green and red? I don't get it. Like, where in history was it decided that, yo, it's Christmas colors, green and red? Why not blue? Why not gold? Right. Oh, Christmas. Yeah, let's do green and red, man. Low to high, and then negative, slightly more negative here. So again, hidden bullish, and with that a positive reflection. Aeon says Santa. No, Santa was actually purple. Original Santa Claus color was purple. Bud. Thank you very much for that sub, bro. On Twitch. Let's do this here.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary song, bro.
Thank you very much.
See, Santa Claus became red with Coca-Cola. but green might work, I guess. I guess, I'm not sure. Yeah. But I think the original color was purple or blue or something like that. Maybe even tan. But I know the red Santa is from Coca-Cola, not from maybe green Santa's the original one. I'm not sure. But I know the red is not the original one. All right. Anyways, let's keep rolling. We said crow, so we did crow. Go to the one out, bro. Did we finish crow? Hidden bullish, we're gonna try to reclaim. Oh no, we're here. Wow. We're gonna try to reclaim this here area, right? The 20. We're hitting it. This is what we're trying to reject it, but hopefully we can get above it. And let's go to that 1 hour chart, see what we have. A tan suit. Yeah, I think that's the original one. But I also seen old drawings of Santa with the purple. But yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe the tan became green and then, you know, became some other color. If you could pick purple, awesome. I'll take light purple for 500 points. Anyone gets that reference? If anyone gets that reference, that's gonna be actually cool. Coming in lower, morning momentum lower. So I'm not finding anything here that is super bullish. So yeah, you know, bearish divergence strong. Moving down on that, expanding the Bollinger Bands to the downside. We'll see where that goes. Hopefully we can try to bounce, man. I mean, there's nothing bullish for us to try to go on a bounce, but if we do get a bounce, because we did hit oversold, we're gonna try to get back to neutral. We could maybe try to go for that 20 moving average. Would not be a bad move. That's it for the crow. Up next, a near. What's happening with the near? Is it near or is it far? Robert De Niro. Oh. Someone should actually make that coin. Call it near and call it Robert De Niro. Oh. It's Christmas Day. Higher, higher, and higher. Nothing here that is bearish, neutral at, sorry, bought at 69.21. With that, we can still start a flag here. Again, we just had a nice impulse. So flagging would be a very nice option here near. And do we make all-time highs? No, we made all-time highs here. Look at that. Congrats. Pat yourself on the back. Well, the all-time high closing is not wicks, right? That wick throws everything off. Let's go to that 4 hour chart. See what we have here, man. Again, breaking this pattern to the upside. Very nice. I mean, we already hit measure move, right? So good stuff here. So right now, starting to flag, like I said, moving sideways. So about to go for that 20 moving average. Hopefully, if we hit it, try to bounce from it, hidden bullish divergence, probably building here. Yeah, here we go, right? Look. Good stuff, good stuff. By the way, y'all think we're going to get a New Year's Day, New Year's Eve pump or dump? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Anyways, hidden bullish, right? We're going to try to hold to that 20 if we hit it. Bought at 63.19. Let's go to the 1 hour. Right. On the 1 hour chart, look, we had that double bottom here that we were talking about with that break, right? And we hit our percentage move. I think we did rally more than 30+%. Yeah, 65%. Look at that. All right, so we're looking at around 30+% move on this double bottom here. I had that break line or that neckline here on the break. That was on the 21st. Look, very, very nice movement, right? Nice impulse up. So yeah, that pattern hit. Now we're moving sideways and flagging here. On that flag, we're not really doing a lot. We did have hidden divergence from here. And up till now, we're not really creating much. But this hidden divergence was getting us to consolidate. And the consolidation that we're getting could get us to try to continue to the upside. We're starting to get tightness of the Bollinger Bands. That could bring a wild move. Although we're moving down, this is looking like an okay flag. Although it's symmetrical, right, to some extent. We don't like symmetrical flags because what they tell us is that we could go either way, right? So we're looking at that symmetrical triangle flag happening there. But after an impulse up, getting a flag like this usually tells us that we might get continuation. So continuation near to the upside would be extremely good. If we do break down, there's not a lot of history. So we got to look at where we spiked and turned around. So somewhere around here, right, would make sense that we could be looking. Look at this. If I draw that line there, see how it was a resistance here? You got above it, became a support, and then became a support here. So we might find support at 14.38. Breaking farther than that, I'm not sure, man. It just feels like it could be a quick drop all the way down here to $12.36. Right, so that's why we'll be looking here for near. Thank you very much for requesting this. Reach Satoshi. I know you said the 9 hour. I can't do the 9 hour, dude. I can only do whatever they have here in the free version. So yeah, do the free version for this. That's all I need for trading. You don't need to have 1,000, 100,000 indicators out there. All you're gonna get is just get yourself confused. Simplest works best. Up next, I think it was Cadena, and then it's VT from Fat Dad Fishing. So let's do Cadena, and then let's do VT, right? So KDA. KDA at $13.02. All right. All right, so on the daily, we're getting recovery in the bullish divergence. Very nice move to the upside, getting above that 50%. We should have been hitting for that 382, but we're not quite hitting there yet. Trying to come back down a bit. Again, if we do drop, we're looking at $12.18. Again, high to low, positive, high to low. Nothing here that is bearish. Last one we had, like I said, bullish. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, we had this bearishness. Got us to move sideways, hit that 20. Gives us support and bounce. The question is going to be, are we coming up higher? More positive and even higher still. So nothing bearish afterwards. Right now, there's really no reason, at least in the 4 hour, for this break that we're getting. So what we'll be looking at is the 1 hour. See if we have something here. And yes, in the 1 hour, we can see that there's some kind of divergence developing here. And it's gonna be against the RSI. So we're coming up higher. And look at this, we're coming from a high point to a lower point. So we had strong bearish potential for a movement down. We did move down. Went really quickly for that 20 moving average. Right now we're hitting that 20. And although we try to recover, we're failing. And that is because we have some hidden divergence, or we're trying to create hidden divergence here. And it's just not really holding, right? But again, we're still in an uptrend. As you can tell, we're still in an uptrend. And that's the main idea, right? We're still in an uptrend. We're gonna try to hold on to this. If we do get this divergence, again, go for that 20. We'll already try to hit it right now. But even the next candle, we might try to go for that 20. The only set thing about this divergence, right? Hidden divergence, is that it could keep on dropping, and we'll keep on making it, right? And I'll still be there. I'll have to trigger, hopefully at some point in time. Usually gets this continuation to the upside, or maybe sideways motion, right? So we'll see how the market is going to take this hidden divergence. But again, if we do move up, we should be looking for a hit of around $15. And if we drop below that 20 and we keep on pushing lower, we should be looking around $12.20 here for KDA. Let's go check out VET. I'll catch up with the chat after VET. Jason, what's up, dude? I'll catch up with the chat, like I said, in a second, right? 9 cents, 9.22 cents. Let's get it on the daily. Oh no, it looks horrible. Let's get an auto here. Here we go. Awesome. All right, so bullish divergence, trying to get a pop. We are getting above that 20. Again, like I said, for a couple of coins, it's looking like some kind of bear trap, but we'll see in a second. So we should have been aiming for that 9 cent mark here. 9.97, almost $10, 10 cents, sorry. Not a bad move, right? Not a bad move. I'm not going to really go for the divergence route here. Neutral at 47.71. And the reason for that is we have the bullishness. I don't think we have hidden bearish. Let's go here on the 4 hour chart. Here we'll see what we have, right? I think here we're going to find, or here on the next chart, we're going to find what we're looking for. So low to high, negative plus negative, low to high. Again, coming up higher, more positive momentum higher on the RSI. So here, there's really nothing bearish right now. We're getting consolidation. We just happen to be below the 20. We're going to try to reclaim it. Here, there seems to be a gap. So we'll see. I mean, maybe we're getting bad data here on the chart, but it's just a small gap, and right now we're trying to reclaim that 20 moving average, which again is okay. Neutral at 55.96. Let's go to the 1 hour. All right, so here we can see the bearish divergence, right? We're coming up higher, and now we're coming in lower here. Boom, like that, and like this also. So bearish divergence, strong, moving down. Try to move sideways, right? High to low, positive. Maybe we could even say from here to here, right? Hidden divergence, and I'll show it to you in a second. Oh no, I moved charts. What the hell? Oh, that's because I'm hitting the wrong time. Like, this is not working. Why is it not working? Like, here we go, right? Coming from a high point to a lower high point, right? And as you can tell, we are trying to go higher here on the MACD. There's a break here on the island. So that divergence is getting us to drop a bit. That is it for VeChain. Again, moving down a bit on that, so not super crazy. Okay, cool. Let's catch up with the chat. I don't think I'm missing a lot, but Jason, Merry Christmas, my friend. Thank you very much for being here. I just want to mention that either had better gains this run than Bitcoin. Hope it continues. and takes everything. All right, that's awesome, bro. Thank you very much for that. I don't think we're missing anything here. So let's go check out real quick here XRP. And see where the XRP is at. 91. All right, so we did drop a bit, and I'm not sure if we're dropping still today. But yesterday we consolidated a bit. We're trying to hold on to that 90-cent mark, and like we said, we're going to go there. We're going to be there. And then try to hold on to asset support. And again, good support there at 90 cents. We'll see if we can try to rally. Not like the movement down. It doesn't look like consolidation. It's just a drop. So hidden divergence again, putting pressure on the price. And we're looking at the bearishness here. Look, we popped even slightly higher. Again, came to that $1.01 mark. Beautiful hits, and then we're still coming in lower here. And I just realized that this might here be from the 1 hour chart, maybe? No, 4 hour. All right, cool. For some reason, this fibs came in like that, and we're not touching where they're supposed to be touching. And here we have this going on like this. So again, strong bearish to put pressure on the price. And we might have some hidden bullish right now. It's going to get us to move sideways, and that is why we're holding on to this level, right? Look, hidden bullish divergence without the possibility for a rally. Maybe action sideways or rally. We should be going for a 20 moving average. We're not going there yet, but we're also not dropping below that 90-cent mark. So if we hold on to that 90-cent mark again, very likely we're going to try to pop, hit that 20, try to get above it, and try to go for $1.01 again. 1 hour chart. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Lower, more negative, lower still. So nothing hit bearish here. Sorry, nothing bullish. On the bearishness, we have hidden bearish. We're trying to rally here. And we created this hidden bearish divergence that's getting us to move sideways right now. And not super crazy, but yeah, it's okay. It's okay. All right, so that's for XRP. Let's go check out HNT, man. Sure, I haven't seen HNT yet. So we'll see how that is doing, man. HNT, where it at? $36. It took a drop. Oh no, HNT, I'm in pain. Look, dropping. It's starting to flag right here. It's consolidating. Here we had impulse up, consolidation, pop. Impulse up, consolidation. Could we pop again? We could try to go for a pop. We're neutral at 53.03 on the R side. Pointing down, that means that we should still be expecting action to downside. Right now, going down 4.22%. Hopefully, we can try to reclaim that. Here, I don't like the fact that we tried to go for 20, rejected, hit the 20 again, rejected. We also hit $38.72. Really, really looking for this to start looking for higher value, right? On this divergence, we have hidden divergence. Look at this, boom. Hidden bullish divergence. Oh no, great. Yeah, just hit cancel here. I just don't want it on the. So in divergence popped. Now we're coming in lower still. So the question is, are we going to have divergence here? And yes, we do. Look here on the short term, strong bullish. Could this get us to try to go higher up? Reclaim that 20 would be a very, very likely target for this move. At $38.34. Hopefully we're not going to end up drop and have this divergence pop us and then go for that $38.72 mark. But we'll see. Let's go here. CBA, what's up, dude? Merry Christmas, my friend. Thank you very much for being here. So lower, less negative, right? So here we had bullish divergence, strong, and with that again, like I said, possibility for action to the upside. Yeah, it took a pop rejection on hidden divergence. Look at this. Man, we just haven't been looking at HNT place, at least not in depth. Oh, here we go. All right, hidden bearish, pressure on the price, moving us down. And the strong bullish goes from here to here. All right, we don't have that here. So again, hitting the bearish, putting pressure on the price, getting us to move down. Low, lower low, more negative momentum, lower still. So nothing here that is bullish right now. I just sold at 36.19. Not really looking super bad. Not looking super bad, but you know, it looks as though we could try to go for a rally now. Not be bad after the pullback we just got here. Bro, your Jeju or your Elon or one of those coins just popped a couple days ago. I was talking about it. Here we go. Dodge Elon Mars. I'm not sure if this is this one. Look at this 30% pop there. Boom. And Elon one, Astro Elon, or I think it's the one you were in. It also is going for really, really nice rallies here, right? 17 and then a couple more percentage points right now below the 20 there. And but yeah, nice rallies on a couple of prices that you were looking at. Let's check the SHIB. Where's the SHIB at? SHIB at 0.4037. All right, so SHIB again, hidden divergence, dropping a bit. Now we'll try to rally, but failed to get higher in the previous high, and it's just looking as over consolidated. Right? It pulls up, consolidating sideways. Maybe try to get continuation. We'll have to keep on tracking. Neutral 51.09. Like I said, that is putting pressure on the price and not letting it move higher. We need to break that resistance. 4-hour bearish divergence dropped to a 20. Still trying to hold on to it. Below 20 right now. But we do have hidden divergence here. We are right. Right on. So with that, again, hidden divergence. We're going to try to move sideways. Maybe reclaim that 20. We're already hitting it. Let's go here on the 1-hour chart. And what we're going to see is up higher. Let's make it even higher still. Again, part of the consolidation, right? We're not really creating a lot. High, low, high, and then positive, less positive, more positive, high, low, high. So it's looking okay here on ship. And again, just starting to consolidate. We keep try to break hopefully to the upside. If Bitcoin doesn't crash or anything goes crazy, we could start looking maybe for a little bit more recovery here and continuation of that bullish move we had on this project. Again, right now, everything on the market's looking in the red, right? Bitcoin's down around 1.13%, market cap's down around 1.27%, and then alts are down around 1.36%, right? Not the craziest. So let's go here real quick. Let's do this exercise we've been doing. We're on the 1 to 100, and we'll see here, we'll adjust them to see what's been pumping on the last 24 hours. All right, 13% for sand. Not bad. Still at $6.81. Very, very nice. Curved out 10.52, and then Atom 9.89. All right, so we can check out Atom. That's a good coin to go look at. A lot of people into the Atom, right? Or Atom, man. I just lost it. It's so tiny, you can't see it in my list. Here we go, Atom, $29.81. On the daily, nice rally, resistance, right? We're at resistance. Spot on, $29.78. Starting to get above it, right? We'll see. Do we have divergence? Yes, hidden divergence. Look at this. Look at this madness. Hidden divergence starting to build here on Atom. That's going to put pressure on the price, certainly. We're starting to see that effect, right? That we're just being halted. So 1, 2 times, 3 times, failing to get above that area. We need to break, otherwise it's going to be trouble. But, we still have this hidden divergence here as well. Failing to get above that target again, we could come down here to around $25.18. Hopefully that's not going to be the case. We can still be looking for more relief. Bought at 60.03. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. 4-hour coming up higher. Look at this bearish divergence. Strong, man. It's just still there. Everywhere we look, there's bearish divergence. For this project, this is diverging bearish against the MACD and the RSI on the 4-hour chart. That the possibility for a moving down. Here we had hidden bullish divergence that got us to pop, which again, very nice move. But right now, that strong bearish divergence is certainly going to put pressure and try to get us to where we don't get above that $29.78. Getting above that target and holding above that $29.78, things looked a lot better. At least for this project. We could start looking maybe to higher areas of value. Right? Look, coming up higher, more positive momentum higher on the RSI short term, right? Coming up higher, higher, and higher still. Nothing here that is bearish. Right now, we're going to start making bearish divergence. But again, it's still not yet confirmed because we have not closed yet this candle. Have to wait for it to close, right? Oh, let's do this, right? Oh, no, that's not the thing I want to do. There we are. All right, look at this bearish, right? It's rough. Merry Christmas, man. Thank you for coming in. Much appreciated. All right. So, guys, it's almost 11 p.m. for me. I know I came in late. I just wanted to come in for Christmas Day and talk crypto with you and wish you all happy holidays. And for reals, wish you all the best during this holiday season. And hoping that, like I said, you and your families are doing good, that your trades are good, that your money's good, and that you're, all well. And I'm wishing you the best also for this next week. And I'll be here also on New Year's to wish you the best for this next coming year. Hopefully you'll be here with us. And for now, though, I will be saying thank you very much for watching. This is So Crypto. My host Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Christmas day. If you enjoy the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Also, talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. If you know anyone that wants to get into crypto, you have to know where to start, pointing them our way. You can help them out. Also, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. Just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. With all that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for stopping by. And I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Merry Christmas. Until then.